Sharpa we dance in couple. We say male and female part. Even the movements are almost the same. There is a small difference at the beginning. And then we can dance in circle, in row, or in free position, but in two people. The steps of the dance are very easy. Most steps we alternate right and left step like walking, so simple like this, in different direction, depend on the choreography. Sometimes we do the basic Tibetan step, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, left, right up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes we have this movement like double step, so we do right step, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. And then a few times we have a sideways step like this. We go one side or opposite side, also turning, for example, so we go right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. One mudra in this dance, male is acting as a prayer wheel. So when we move, women give energy and the prayer wheel turns. As this image is at the beginning of the dance. Another mudra representing the accordion, and then there is a symbol of melody. And so we will do like this with arm. Open and then close. Open and then close. Like playing the accordion. One more mudra is like this, with one side and then the other side. A symbol of nothing, means nothing. Because the refrain of the song, the sentence that is repeating many times, say, even we speak of harmony and love, if there is not a perfect understanding, then it's like a nuisance, it's nothing, has no value. So we do this mudra. One more mudra is like mirror, so we will do like this, hands, palms facing each other, then to us, and then like that, like spreading lights. A song starts with a voice. Immediately after, there is a drum playing, and in this moment we start to move forward and backward. And male will also do with hands movement like playing drums. Women don't do this. Immediately after, we will do the movement of the prayer wheel. Now words of the song start, so we do like this. We step right and then left, and our arms go to the left side. Now we step left, right, and arms go to right side. Again we step right, left, arms go to left, and then with the basic Tibetan step we bring our hands to the heart. In this moment we do the sideways step, mudra of accordion, so we open arms with these two steps. Now we close turning, and also we do two steps. Again we open with two steps. Now we close, and when we turn we do 3 steps faster. 1, 2, 3. Starting with left, left, right, left. So we repeat. And to the side, to the right side first. Simple steps like walking, right, left, alternating, and with left arm first, we are drawing a spiral. So with index, we do this movement, small and then bigger. So we start, and then left up. Now we go on the other side with the right fingers, we are drawing, and we step left first step, and we repeat twice. So again we will go, next part we turn to our left, we do this movement. We turn on the other side, spreading love from the heart, and again, and then mudra of nothing. Now we do the same, starting opposite. Right step, left behind, left step, right behind, and again, mudra of nothing. Now we go forward with few steps. We go up, left, and then back, and like we are hearing from conch shell. Now again, we go up, left, back, and like hearing again. From here we turn, hands start from heart, and we turn, opening slowly the arms. Now there is a jump. We do like that. And then we do this movement. We will cross, so we start with right step, both of us, and right hands are touching. Walking step. We change position and we clap twice, also tapping with the right foot. Both of us, we do this movement. Then we go back, again starting with the right foot, but now left hand will touch. We will do same thing. And clapping and tapping with the right foot twice. And as you see, the clapping is toward outside of us. So I do now to left side, Tom is doing to the right side. And we repeat this movement once more. So clapping and tapping twice. Again, on the other side. And twice. Next part we go lateral step, a little bit faster now, also the music will be faster. And we do like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 4, elbow goes toward the knees. And first time we start right, 1, 2, 3, 4, then back, other side, once more. And then with 3 steps we bring our hands to the hip. Now we do again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, we stay like that. Now we have mudra or mirror, so palms facing each other, then we turn toward ourselves, and then we do like spreading lights. And then the dance starts again, like at the beginning. We do the same movement. At one point there is a different mudra. We will turn with the left hand at the heart and the right near the right here. And we turn. We both will turn, and then we will open slowly both arms. And we will continue with the movement that we already saw before. We will repeat now some sequence that we did explain before. And then one point we will jump, so there is this movement, we both jump and kick right, arm and leg, another jump, kicking left, and then we do with the basic Tibetan step, we do this movement from heart, turning. We do 5 times, one more time the Tibetan step. Then we go forward, and then we will clap, and backward, and clap again. And we repeat this movement one more time, going forward and backward. Now follow this part. We do right step, then left step, and right arm goes in front. Now left step, and left arm. And again, we continue. So we do 4 times this movement. And now we start again, like from the beginning. We do this, we continue. We do 3 times this movement, then the basic Tibetan step. Now the accordion part, representing the melody. We come back, and now like drawing a spiral, and back. Then one more time. And now we turn. And we turn opposite, so female dance turn to the right side, male dance turn to the left. Starting from heart, we go up, we open both arms. Now we turn opposite way, so female turn to left, male to right. Now once more we open both hands from the heart, doing some small step but on the place, and then at the end we join our hands to the heart. And we end the dance like this.